Hello everyone, it's 27th December. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. The first page we have Delhi on Rahman return. Poll must be free, inclusive. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Going forward, we have Gujarat CM on his priority in run up to CEWG 2030, fixing AQI, building infrastructure. Again, very important for environment as well as infrastructure perspective. Going forward, we have AQI very poor in Delhi, nearby cities, no relief in sight. Again, very important for environment perspective. Then we have when a heart looks like a potato, how hybrid classes are widening post-COVID, learning gaps. Again, very important for education perspective. Moving forward, we have Indus Water Treaty on hold, green panels not for another hydro power project on Chenab. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have CWC meet today, party focus on Manrega as next big fight. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have proud moment, Gujarat regains Tiger State status after 33 years. Again, very important for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have co-forced to acquire a US-based AI firm in Cora for $2.35 billion. Again, very important for economic perspective. Then we have Dutch NGO files 1.4 billion euros claim against Tata Steel, Netherlands. Again, very important for economic perspective. Moving forward, we have the world page where we have US carries out strike on Islamic State in Nigeria. Then we have blast at Al-Awad Mosque in Syria's Homs, kills 8. Then we have Zelensky says he will meet Trump in Florida Sunday. Then we have BNP leader Tariq Rahman visit father's grave in Dhaka. Then we have Turkey nabs IS militant says he was planning attacks on New Year. Then we have amid global battery boom, graphite mining gets a fresh look in the US. All these things are very important for international relations perspective. Then we have the explained page where we have India weathers tariff storms for now, but consumption headwinds await. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have a poll win for Tariq Rahman is not a foregone conclusion. Again, very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.